Hello and welcome to the HGC. Just wanted to put out a video, let you guys know that I'm still alive because I'm an old effer. Anyway, today's video is just random. It's about your sprinkler systems. Now, about 5 years ago, I cut this pipe here, deleted it because of root damage to it. It was either that or turn the water off to the house and pay an emergency service fee. Don't want to do that. Anyway, 5 years later, I went and put this back together and then realized, hey, you know what? I need to recut and put in a shut-off valve right here. That way, if I ever do have an issue with the water pipes breaking between here and the water valves, then I can just literally shut it off and not have to worry about turning off the water to the house. The general sprinkler system guys are not going to put a shut-off valve here because they want you to pay that $200 emergency service fee so that they don't have to schedule a week out and make a lot of extra money. So for now, we're going to go and actually cut some pipe. So let's get right here. There we go. Okay. Now, you will want one of these. I'll put a link to one in the description of the video. If you want to buy that, that's fine. You can get these at any Lowe's or Home Depot and whatnot. Might be a little bit cheaper online if you're willing to spend the time. However, you will need one of these, and like I said, the link will at least show you what it looks like close up and personal. So you're going to want to cut as close to this pipe as possible in order to, and as straight as possible in order to replace these things. And that's what this cutter is designed to do. Okay, so I got two different wall thicknesses of pipe here. Looks like they put this thing together with all scraps. They didn't put a tub in and fill it with the fine gravel and then a sand layer about 2 inches to prevent water buildup like this. That's disappointing. But I knew that when I bought the house, so not that big of a deal. Now I'm slip and sliding. Okay, the wiring we're not going to show in this video. Basically just wire it back up exactly the way it was. But yeah, these things are spraying out the sides and stuff because it's been a long while since they were used. Now, see here? So you got 3/4 inch pipe and 1-inch pipe. Really, look at that, it's falling apart. Gosh. Alright, now with this old pipe we are going to need a piece of sandpaper, which I think I left over here. Okay, although you can't tell, but by my breathing, I just edited out about 5 minutes or so worth of time on this video because the wind blew off my sandpaper. Alright, so you're going to need your replacement heads, some cement. I'll put links to it in below. It's best if you use the stuff that's specific for the pipe. This stuff works for this stuff, although I don't think is the proper stuff that works just as good as the other. And all we're doing is adding it here, and it basically glues them shut. But these old pipes have corrosion and dirt and stuff on them. You need to get that off as best you can before you're gluing it on. So you want to clean that up moderately right around the top. That way this plastic cement can actually melt the pipes together. Yeah, a little bit in each one of these. A little bit more. There we go. Now, very important you get it all the way down. Just like that. Okay. Where'd my sandpaper go? There it is. Now we just go through these other ones real quick. It's alright if this pipe's a little bit wet. It'll live. But the sandpaper is just to get the dirt and grime and stuff off of the pipe, clean it down to the bare plastic so that the cement can do its job and actually lightly melt the plastic in the pipe as well as the plastic in the fitting in order to go on. Okay. There we go. And where to put it? Here it is. Alright. We've got 3 more to do. You will want to make sure you put these on the exact same way they were on before. Okay. One. Alright. You ready for the funny part of this whole thing? Almost there. Alright. You're gonna love the funny part. Alright. There we go. All the way down. Alright. Now I already set these up in advance. Of the video, just to keep it nice and short for you. Okay. Ready for the funny part? Here we go. Bam! Done until I hook up the wires. 15 minutes from now, these will be all completely set and ready to go. And I ain't touching this again until the wife picks up that stuff, because she spent the last 3 years complaining me doing this. That's the funny part. Alright. So, just to let you know I'm still alive. I will get up some other videos soon. Got a lot of really cool stuff that's going to be put up on the channel coming up. Not just electronics, but other things. Alright, stay safe, happy gaming everybody.